hold somebody for 2 years, a year. That's the reason as to why, 2010, the Constitution of Kenya made it very clear that if anybody's held means of a charge sheet or a miscellaneous application for custodial days, yes, if it extends to look for violations of my good brother, which has put it very clearly, moves to investigations. My Lord, number 2, look at the constellation of the officers before you, starting from the Inspector General of Police. Deals with intelligence becomes a subject matter on abductions. My Lord, I urge you to look at the scope, show that the DCI has the person who has not, that it is not released from police custody. None or anybody has produced evidence that they were released from a police station. They are here. In this, we are in the dark, my Lord. We urge that be a concern for every Kenyan. Only the police. Is that somebody missing, already dead? Is that somebody missing in the hands of government agencies? That will take time. And that's why I agree with my brother, Mr. Nyamodi, that 14 days will be sufficient to bring to you a status report that the court can make a decision on.
Yes, my Lord. Your Lordship, of the 7th rescue. Perhaps I have listened and Lord, everybody seated at this bar, undermining the authority of this court and the orders that you issue. Perhaps for 2 days. Compliance with order number 3, and that is the appearance of the inspector, bearing in mind that my lords, there are ex parte orders that have been issued by this honorable court. And for example, application of order number 3, that if the court maintains that it is Mr. Nyamodi is asking for, we hear the notice of motion application. So that, and my lord, bearing in mind that the enforcement of rights is under Article 25 of the 7th respondent, and we have filed a reply to that application, my lord. If you allow, can pass that application, so that you are going to renew a ruling, because this is a court of record. So that within the requisite number of days we give findings based on the aspects that will be responded to. Therefore, to me, to my mind, I believe, without to underscore the importance of the matter before you, we still have the other miscellaneous application number